So in this video, I want to go over how to use the calculate function in DAX. This is the Northwind data set again. We're going to be focusing on this order details table, and we're going to create a table with just the product name. So I'm just going to drag that in there. And we want to count the number of orders in this order details table where the unit price is greater than 30. So we're going to create a measure, and we're going to call it unit price greater than 30. And we're going to start typing the calculate function. Next, we're going to use the count function within calculate to count the number of orders. So we're going to count the number of order IDs in the order details table. Close that. And then now we're going to put our filter argument. So our filter argument is going to be unit price in the order details table is greater than 30. And close that. That's our measure here. You can drag that into the table alongside product name, or let me click on the table first and then click on the measure we just created. Turn it back to a table. And so this will be the products that have a unit price greater than 30. All right, so a quick way of checking this is if we go to the table itself, the order details table, and we look at, let's see, one of them was Alice, or let me unselect this. Go back here, choose, let's choose what is that? Cambaret Periot. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but we're gonna go back to that and oh, so we have 51 rows of this product name, but if we select only those that are greater than 30, we can just deselect that first one. That should give us 37, which matches the 37 for this same product, 37. So it's a way to check it. Um, just real quick, so the calculate function, you have your expression of what you want to calculate. So in this case, it's count of the orders in that order details table, and then you have your filter arguments. In this case, unit price greater than 30. But the way you want to look at this filter argument is it's a Boolean expression, but you are um, it's really a table. So it's bringing back a table of all the unit prices that are greater than 30, and then doing a count on that order ID to get this calculation here that we just did in this measure.